follow that because you
Yes
will
po.
know it, right? And then at what time do you need to end if your class is at 1 o'clock?
I need to end at 1:50.
Correct. So if you did not follow that duration, what can happen?
It might connect, I mean, the recording of the previous class might be connected uh, to the next class po.
Yeah, it's not might. It will.
It will.
It will. So what will happen to that succeeding class?
Maybe some of them, I mean, not maybe, but some of the minutes will be missed po, if
What
that
will
will be the
happen in your tardiness, in your lateness record,
um
in that succeeding class? Kasi pumasok ka, right? Tama yung duration mo dun sa
yes po.
first. But you did not end on the 50th. Instead, tumuloy-tuloy, right? It
Yes.
continued to the next class. What will happen to the next class? Will you be
Uh
present or will you absent in the data of the lateness?
it will be absent.
It will
Yeah.
be absent. You will be how many minutes late in that second class?
Um Same sa nangyari sa akin po. It will be um like 50 minutes late like that po.
In that succeeding class. Did you
Yes po.
investigate it?
Yes
Was
po.
that, yun ba yung nangyari?
Yes po.
Yun yung nangyari. Okay. How do you, yun yung tanong ko. So, nag-investigate ka, Teacher Eden. So, nalaman mo yun talaga nangyari. So, that is the reason. And then, SOP is you provide what?
Solution po.
Solution plan. But in your solution plan, it means that why we ask for a solution plan all the time? Do you know it?
Para para hindi po maulit na yun, I mean, be on the next time it will be hindi na po siya maulit on the next
Para
time po.
hindi na maulit. It won't be recurring. Ang nangyari kasi dun sa solution plan mo, nakalagay doon, it will repeat again. You know, if you check your answer, mangyayari ulit, which I cannot accept because if you investigated your late and you know what was the real problem and you won't do it again, hindi mo na uulitin na mag-connect yung class mo, then it won't recur. Pero pagdating dun sa solution plan mo, it did not reflect that. In your solution plan, nakalagay doon, there's a possibility that it will happen
Might
again.
happen.
So I told you, try to edit your solution plan
Ah,
because you really need to investigate so that your solution plan talaga, for real, it won't
hindi na
happen
maulit.
again. It's
Opo.
not because we do it mechanically, it's reason, solution plan. No. You need to do it well so that talagang hindi na maulit. So even your solution plan doesn't reflect that. So maybe you were careless, I don't know why, but I told you redo it. So that is the reason why of the redo. Okay, that's one. Can you type that, Teacher Eden?
Yeah,
Because
opo.
pwedeng sinabi ko sa'yo, narinig mo, pero baka hindi mo naintindihan. Can you type that in Skype?
Opo.
What is it that you need to do when it comes to investigation and solution plan? Can you tell me? Please type it.
Okay, wait po.
The next would be your negative feedback. Do you remember your negative feedback?
Yung parang I talk too much po tapos hindi
Correct.
nabigyan.
Yeah. So we did a meeting and then you said now you're aware and that it won't happen again, correct? And then I spoke with you again and it happened again. Yes? So
Yes.
but then that doesn't stop there because it wasn't resolved. Because QC check and QC check that you still speak a lot. How many percentage is the student speaking time
50% po.
or more?
Yes.
50% at
Um,
least or
at
more.
least.
Okay. What was the reason why you weren't able to do that in this class? That QC check. There's probably a reason, right? Or maybe I don't know what happened with you, Teacher Eden. What happened? Can you tell me?
Actually, TM, most of the time, I mean, the reason why firmly yung na-realize ko po, the reason why I really talk too much is that sometimes po kasi yung student is they try to, like, I mean, they speak but they only speak a little, and then I always ask them with questions, and then maybe the question that I asked them wasn't that really clear enough that I really needed to explain pa po more.
Mm-mm.
So yun yung parang nakikita kong reason why maybe the QC have seen that I was talking too much, because parang nakain na yung time na supposed to be sa student, pero I was explaining po, parang ganun po. Yun po yung parang nakikita kong very evident na reason.
What was the level of the student? Why you said that? Level.
Um yung specific student po na
Na
actually,
chinek ka ni QC, right? What was the
yes.
level of your student?
Um I wait, let me try po. Like nakakalimutan ko na po yung class exactly po.
So you can check the time that I mentioned to you that you failed upon QC check and we need to redo. Because actually, Teacher Eden, that's random. It means even if your student is level 5, can only speak basic sentences, you really need to make your student speak more. Because if the student is able to speak basic sentences, it means that student can speak, right or wrong. Yeah.
Correct po.
So you need to push back and engage your student based on the response, right? All will just be questions, open-ended questions, so that student can reply. You don't need to explain a lot, because if the student can give you basic sentences, you don't need to speak a lot. Maybe you can make a little bit of translation. When you need
Yeah.
translation, what will be the app that you will use for that?
Yes
What
po.
will be the app that you will
Ah,
use for that?
Google Translate po.
Google Translate. If you need to send the picture, what is it? Or show a picture, what is it that you need to
Still
do?
in Google din po.
Hmm?
Sa Google ko lang, I mean sa Google ko
Picture?
lang din po. Yes po.
No. Teacher Eden, you don't sensitive issues training.
I actually, like, sa Google ko lang din po kinukuha yung picture, then I'll send it po through the chat box, parang ganun po. Yun po
Yeah.
yung ginagawa ko.
Okay, so don't share your screen
Yes
using
po.
Google Images. Your redo on negative feedback was wait a minute. This one. Friday, I'm not sure when exactly was this, but it's here. Actually, supposedly it's a very easy negative feedback, but one teacher already was declined by TA because teacher speaks a lot. It happened already in the team. So teacher cannot, I don't know, she cannot, there's always a negative feedback, even even if we already did this, this coaching, and it seems so like trivial, it's so easy to solve, but if teacher cannot resolve it, it can cause your eventual, either you resign or I need to terminate you. So even if it's just teacher is talkative, right? So this was it. There's a redo of your negative feedback. It's here. Friday. This is probably, I don't know when exactly, last week. I'm not so sure. It's here. Teacher Eden, can you see it?
Yes po.
Yeah. So it means there's a redo. Yes. So I
Yes.
ask you for timestamps because you need to prove that, let's say at 1:13, I'm the one speaking, right? So I spoke for like 5 minutes and then you spoke again. I need some proof that in this class you have already consciously tried to make your students speak. I need timestamps. So what I did was, do you know how to do that? Because this one that came from Teacher Rickley, it's so small that it's so hard to see. But I need something more clear, bigger, so that it's going to be very easy to check. So I ask you for that so that you spend time. Okay, warm up, I spoke, and then once the student's time to introduce, at this time she spoke, and then when I have to introduce myself, this is the time I spoke again. So in the vocab, I explained a little bit at this time. Student was asked to, what are the questions, or to come up with some sentences at this time in the vocab. You see that when you prepare that, you are very, you break it down. And then you know, talaga nga namang ang haba ng spiel ko dito sa vocab. I must adjust and make it a point that in vocab, of course, I need to explain, but I need to, maybe half of that should be student's part.
Students.
Yes? And then pagdating naman ng, let's say, role play, tingnan mo, nagsalita ka, explain mo yung role play, right? This is what we need to do. So, exchange kayo. And then, baka naman after ng exchange, ikaw na naman lahat. You get it? So, kailan mo pinagsalita si student? In role play. Baka naman hindi mo alam na dapat student needs to, let's say in role play, there are some vocabs that recently learned, or there were some expressions that were recently learned. How can the student use those in the role play once you finish with the role play and some question and answer? You see, that's exchange, right? But after that, baka ikaw na naman lang lahat. So that's when you can analyze in each part. Oo nga, puro ako nga itong nagsasalita. You get it? That's why I ask you to prepare the timestamp so that you can be more aware in each part na talaga nga bang puro ako lang ang nagsasalita, or, or pinagsasalita ko ba si student? So if you prepare that, kasi I ask you, Teacher Eden sent me the class to prove that you have already resolved it. But if you put some timestamps and it's very clear, ang daming speaking time ni student, it's more than 50%, more than half in each part. Then, if QC will say, I checked again Teacher Eden's class, and again, same problem. And then I can give this proof, Teacher Eden, and say, no, when we did, I coached her and she's aware, and this is her proof that she has already corrected this. Yeah. So example, there's another class that, let's say, medyo sumobra ka, naging 55% ka. Why? Because in this class, when QC randomly checked, hindi nagsasalita si student eh. You understand?
Yes
There's
po.
always, when QC will check, there's a recording. So actually, I can tell QC, I already checked, and this is the proof. But that class, hindi nagsasalita si student kahit na nag-open-ended question na si teacher. Alam mo naman, walang magsasalita. Hindi na naman maganda yon, right? Ganun natin ipoprove.
Okay po.
Okay, that's why I ask you for that. It's not because, resolution. of that?
Actually po parang like parang nahihirapan lang po ako dun sa part
Go ahead.
na parang yung sometimes yung parang akala ko po na-give ko na yung parang yung hinahanap niyo po tapos parang hindi pa pala. So, parang medyo hindi lang po clear sa akin yung parang sa instruction. Pero po, in total I understand naman din po yung purpose nito and also what you wanted me to do po so far
The
na
thing
naman.
is, when we first talked, it was like the whole, I mean, in general, like lessen your speaking time, ganyan, ganyan. Now is more broken down in such a way that in each section, you make sure vocab, okay, more ka, next section, more ka. Yes,
Gano'n
so
po yung
that you
gagawin ko.
can ensure
Sige
that,
po,
oy, talagang pinagsalita ko siya.
sige
And
po.
maybe you can practice that. The only thing that you can probably take note will be if you tried to let's say your example, the student was I don't know, for some reason that student probably doesn't speak more in spite of uh, you've been giving some open-ended question. What about we come up with some vocab that you recently learned, and then you can use it in a sentence, right?
So
So,
yun po
and
yung
then
parang
based on,
sasabihin ko sa student po
yeah,
para
based on
magsalita siya.
what we talked about, right? You can use this um, vocab or the grammar rules that you learned. Then you can use that in our discussion or use that in our speaking. Use that in, you know, everything that was learned in class application. Huwag ka magpapabasa,
Sige po.
right? And then some teachers would be, I don't know, just now that I figured out, walang maglalagay ng kahit lip gloss during class. Lip gloss. Kasi
Sige po.
naka-braces ka rin eh.
Yes po.
Kasi sa team natin yon yung may naglagay.
Na
Yeah.
parang
Mm.
na-catch yung attention ng student.
Yeah, pwedeng may
Oh,
mag-complain. At yung mga biglang tumingin sa phone or biglang nagsuklay na you're not aware or naglagay ng lip gloss kasi dry lips.
yes po.
And then you make sure yung yung bawal na websites.
Apo.
Students that have IT in background, or let's say yung mga bago ngayon, e-commerce, Shopify, AI,
Yes
robotics,
po.
I need you to read on that. You know where
Sige
to
po.
look?
Opo, nag-ask po ako ng help kay Teacher Clarice na.
Yeah, apart from that, you'd better help yourself because Teacher
Opo.
Clarice, I think, is very busy too.
Yeah, bumalik po kasi siya sa pag-aaral.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What course?
Same dun po yung sa akin, yun nga po naghihingi siya if may books po ako, tas sabi ko sa'yo hindi naman kami nagbo-books before, like more likely sa
Online.
computer po, like ganyan. So
Everything
parang
is online naman eh.
yes po.
So
Ano po
what year?
yung major niya is BS Ed English pa rin po.
Ano
BS
year
Ed
naman niya?
Hindi ko po sure kung anong year na siya, pero as much as I know po, before kasi hindi yan yung course niya before. So baka po bumalik siya ng first year. Nahihiya nga po siya kasi daw yung mga kaklase niya parang parang ang babata tapos siya lang po yung hindi. So sabi ko sa kanya na, is it like, I mean, do you feel confident enough like that? Tapos yun po, sabi niya, okay lang naman po. Parang sometimes lang po, parang
So is it
ano
face
siya.
to face or online?
Feel ko po online. Yung,
Online. Oh, mabilis lang yun pag online.
yan po. Yun nga
Um,
po yung sabi ko sa kanya, it's not too late.
yeah, anyway, don't depend on her too much because she's
Yes po.
busy. Um, I think where you can improve will be to read more on
Sige po.
management, marketing, sales, mga ganyan, other topics, so that in case your TA will assign to you some job interviews, you can give very good feedback for your students, because if you don't know anything about that, you cannot give really
Yeah.
substantial or effective feedback.
Yun din po yung gusto kong i-clarify sa inyo, TM. Like, yung sa job interview po kasi, there are materials there that really like need pong magsalita ni teacher, parang yung ganun. So, parang ano po yung dapat kong gawin? Like, ipabasa ko po sa student yung
No, no, no.
information
Don't
or what?
never ask them to read. There's some sample answers there, right?
Yeah,
But don't you ever ask them to read.
the sample
You
answers
can,
po.
yes, don't, because they're not,
I-summarize ko na lang.
they did not enroll in your class to read, because they can
Yeah.
easily do that. What you can do is ask them, were you able to see the sample answer? Right? Then maybe if you've seen it, you can, yeah, like try to use that as a model for your answer.
Yeah. Sige
So
po.
if, say for instance, they can't, it's so hard for them, then you break it down. This is the intro, it's a background about you, and then the second paragraph would be more detailed as to what's your specialty. Then let's say we're talking about programming, right? So what specific programs, what are, so break it down, and then what were your accomplishments in these
Ah,
broken down skills that
sige po.
you have, ganon. So dun mo lang, kumbaga you explain, but don't ask to read, kasi andun eh,
Yeah.
right? And then you conclude, like, overall, what's your accomplishments based on these skill sets, right? Or maybe you need to, if you didn't have that accomplishment, maybe what are the goals that you want to accomplish,
Yes po.
right? Or before you even join the company, you must upskill first, because everything is available now. When you want something, you don't just apply, right? You upskill yourself first, then apply, because already
po.
you have those things that they look for in a candidate. Ganun mo
Sige po.
i-coach.
Tapos yung parang may isang TA po kasi si Miss Alice,
Mm.
parang nag-PM po siya sa akin, tapos she provided, kasi she has like I mean, I have a trial class at that time, parang, I mean, hindi siya trial class TM, parang it was also a job interview po. Tapos about flight attendant, okay lang po ba yung binigay nila na material sa akin, yun po yung gamitin ko? Parang binigay ni Miss Alice
Okay.
sa akin na
In those
material.
instances that they have external material, like in the GC, right? So you need to secure screenshots. The TA Alice already had this checked, and eto yung material, but asked me as well, because I need to clear that, because you don't just use external materials, you remember?
Yes.
So it's not because your TA already said you can use this, you have to double check with her. Was this cleared by teaching department? And then also ask with me, because maybe baka may makalusot na sinabi lang na cleared, hindi pa pala. Ikaw yung mapapahamak.
Sige po.
Okay?
Actually,
So,
matagal na naman po yun. Parang last month po yun. August 6 yung last na nakita ko dito. Tapos, akala ko
yeah.
like, okay, so si Miss Alice naman yung nag-send sa akin.
Hindi.
So,
Be
parang,
careful. Kahit na
send
sinabi
ko
ng
din po
TA,
sa inyo. Doon yung original time nung complaint. Tapos,
yung
yung,
na-receive mo,
apo, yung, apo,
from,
tapos,
di ba may
redo.
Chinese, tapos may English, right? And then may redo, yon. Para
Sige.
meron tayong background, ano yung sinusolve natin dun sa document na yun.
Sige po. Date lang po yung ilagay ko doon. Tapos, yung timestamp na
No,
kailangan.
the negative feedback. Negative feedback. Tapos
Okay.
yung how to prove that will be timestamps, screenshots, right? And then if you need to explain a little bit something, do it briefly.
Sige po.
Bye-bye.